We have a right to equal quality food. Again, so we got to call for another last one food and some of these things for South Africa, what do they mean for us? You will be right in before again. Again, I want freedom without food. I want the right without food. Again, I don't want to study the job was not on. You don't have dignity. Why you was not on the plan? I want dignity. Or not to today, wiki, or not preaching, because you don't have access to food. Again, so freedom. Basic rights, access to basic food, water and sanitation. Again, so another group, I can industry jicho. Again, industry jicho leona. Arachana ore hari regisa. Reska regisa resna mupawa responsible retailing. Again, responsible retailing kya horutanto horo regisa at the back of your thinking. Please go we relabore batubare na barabari bachi. Again, our Nakamara business only greedy. I don't just know to have where it's a 150 rand. I don't know that to have where it's a child for a 5-year movie where it is a 500 rand. Which one is all ways responsible retailing and how is a responsible retailing? That's one way responsible retailing they have also in the community. Because I don't know guy, never found a kiki, the Kamara Stockfell group, the similar Amy, the Rena, the more than anything else, Rena, Rebecca Shaw, Yamarino, South Africa, no one in this country goes to bed hungry how much. Let's try. Hakuna mtu wote arobaini asaja, South Africa hadi na I can look at the square around here. Naito's past the community again. Naito's past sponsor of South Africa. Past sponsor of hockey, and for both women and females, the report jobs at Spa, Renali, running Elo Mariata, closer to 82,000 women in the country. Elo Mariata, healthy living, NGPV, and poverty. Programs that are not just about communities, celebrating communities are around it's not only about selling groceries. I don't say groceries relationship it goes far beyond the team. Relationship I feel good team. I don't say the long that's why we have a shop working on the superstar. But the hair is superstar. It then means for hair, that the hair is the way. Kena owners passive. That the man who let Kena owners passive was Sarena. It's a high. So, to elephant power, I will recover that the man let. Don't be pushing the hair. Correct, that the man let. It's not a are ready, data ready, nagkakaroon ng discount to, nagkakaroon ng promotion na benefit na niya, nagkakaroon sa spam, what's cut, nagkakaroon easy na lang na, nagkakaroon niya. Like, syempre naman is simple. So, spa ay wala sa community. It's how tayo na nagpagiging na lang tayo na yung nagkakaroon sa access na yan, lutar na yung and pure poverty in capital Irana and program having right to access to education. Research and development young girls in the country, 7 million young girls in the country have missed school because of a lack to access to sanitary towels. Like you said too, Mr. Melman, the head students young girls and women who they are dura and available. So as a result, and then they miss on school and they miss on opportunities. So the Kinega program was primarily designed end-period poverty. Got this end-period poverty, the register is another pets, but the register is 6 rand nothing. Come on, let's see. Why should I have it? If I were to say, hey, young girl, I'm going to go on slow. Like, say, it's like a no cover and meaning ka 6 rand ka quit. A young girl can be kept in school. That's right. And the 6 rand multiplied by 12 people is 72 rand. 72 rand ka fela ka mwaha.